Hello and welcome to today's Sombrero tutorial. I'm using a 3.25mm hook and acrylic yarn. I'm starting with a magic ring. Chain 2 and 10 double crochet into this ring. Close the ring with a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 2 in the same stitch, 1 double crochet, and now we double up in each stitch, 2 double crochet. And close this round with a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and this pattern continues until we finish this round. and close this round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. So the rim is done, and now we go to crochet the crown in the middle. It's quite helpful. So we have excuse me, the stitches here already. So we're using the yarn, and this is going to be how big the crown is going to be. So I'll pull my yarn through. Oops, don't want to interfere with the other again. So I pull it through the middle. Place my first stitch in the round, and then I just stitch around the circle. And now I pull my yarn through. And I start single crocheting in each stitch. It's easy, you just go on and on. You don't need a stitch marker for this. So we're in the third round, and you can actually now decrease in stitches. So you skip one stitch and you set your single crochet in the next stitch, and then you do one regular stitch, and then you skip a stitch, one regular stitch, and you skip a stitch, one regular stitch, and you skip a stitch, one regular stitch, and you skip a stitch, and at the end you just pull through with slip stitches. So you go through one side, come out the other side, pull the yarn through and place a slip stitch, and that's it. And there you have like a pointy one. All the yarn is always soft, so you can just place it the way you want to, and then do the stitches. And just pull this through. One more. And finished is the tiny sombrero. So now you can add some color to it or some patterns. That's just a basic model. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and give it a like or subscribe, and I hope I see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.